everyone. In today's video I'm going to try some bubbles. So this is liquid dish soap. I tried this once with the bubble solution and it was too thin, so my bubble forms didn't even show up on my page. So I'm hoping that this will be thicker. I think this was like Dawn dish soap, so it's blue. So I'm going to also use some blue ink and just add some more color to it, and then add just a small amount of water. I've seen other people try this out, and it seems like you use just a very small amount of water, and then whatever ink you're going to be using to blow bubbles, and then use the bubbles to put onto your pages, and then they just create some really fun designs. So hopefully this will be thicker. If not, I have some other ideas to thicken up the soap even more, but we'll do this. And I'm going to, it is really nice and thick, so let's see if this will work. And if I need to add a little bit more water, I will. But I'm gonna start blowing bubbles in it. I just have my straw. You can see it's really nice and dark. That ink darkened it up really well. So let's see if this is thin enough to create some bubbles. If not, we'll add just a tad bit more water. Okay, so I think we're gonna need some more water. And let's see if this will do some bubbles. I also have some different straws, so if my small straw isn't working well, I am like bound and determined to figure this out. Okay, so it's making bubbles, but I have to get the bubbles out. So let's see. Going to try this. I think this will work if I can get the bubbles to move a little bit more. It's making really nice bubbles. Let's see how I can get them out. Okay, so there we go. So I did need some more water, but we're gonna try and, oh, now I just spilled, so that's not gonna work. So let's try, I'm just gonna leave those there, but we'll try this again. Oh wow, okay, so a lot of bubbles. I'm gonna see if they, when they pop, if they're gonna leave some marks, or if I'm gonna have to put something on top of it, like some saran wrap. Ooh, it's starting to, yeah, so that one was too thin. I'm gonna set that, or too much liquid, set that one aside. But this one, I'm starting to, some of those bubbles are popping and it's starting to leave some areas there. So let me, where's my cling wrap? I'm going to do that and try and get some of those bubbles to dry like that. So bubbles and then some saran wrap on top, and we'll see if those bubbles dry. And I'm going to do one more. I want to see what it looks like on this. So I got a lot of bubbles. Let's see if I can move them a little bit. Probably not. There we go. Okay, so I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to put some saran wrap down and see if it kind of captures some of those bubbles on there. And we'll let this dry. This might, no, that one didn't work out. So I'm going to have to keep testing this. That first one looks like some of the bubble shapes might stay. This one, they all just, I'm going to just leave that off. I'm going to see if some of them, they're just popping and they're not, like, there are a few bubble shapes over there, but right in here, it's just very inky. It's not really leaving like bubble shapes. So I think I'm going to put a little bit more right here and see what happens, and then just let it sit and dry, and then we'll take a look. So again, I might just keep testing this out until I find what works. Okay, so these are partially dry. Unfortunately, nothing really turned out the way that I wanted it to, but I still wanted to show it because I think it was a really fun idea, and I think just modifying my bubble mixture might help. But right in here and right in here where I had some of the bubbles, I think, pop right away, it kind of kept the shape and definition of the bubbles, and it looks really interesting. I had more of it in here and in here, but I think there was just too much moisture with the water and the ink that I added to the soap. So, like I said, this gives me some ideas. Again, this is all trial and error. I didn't know if it was going to work or not, and unfortunately this one did not. But I still want to show it because it was a fun technique, and I think if you mix something into your soap to thicken it up a little bit more, I'll have to see what other people recommend. You might be able to get some really nice background pages. So I will probably be trying it again, maybe not during this 100 days, but in another video, maybe on some canvas or on something that's not paper, and I'll see how it turns out. But if I can get some more of these areas, I think it would be a really pretty background. But thank you guys so much for watching today. I hope you liked this video. If you have any suggestions, leave them in the comments below, and I will see you tomorrow.